Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to effectively promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube Shorts in 2023. YouTube Shorts has become a powerful platform for creating short, engaging videos that capture viewers' attentions quickly. By combining the popularity of YouTube Shorts with the earning potential of Amazon affiliates program, you can maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. So in this tutorial, we'll be guiding you how to do that. So make sure to stick by and let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, of course, I'm going to use the Brave browser, and in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and let's start by, if you are not, of course, before you even start like promoting your Amazon products on YouTube Shorts, make sure to become an approved Amazon affiliate by joining the Amazon Associates program. And this is will ensure you for earning, of course, commission through the affiliate link. So if you haven't have done this yet, you can simply go to this URL section, type Amazon affiliates and go to this first link. Once you do so, of course, as you can see from here, you will have three steps. Simply sign up, so join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with Amazon SEA's program. Then share millions of products with your audience. And we have customized link tools for large publishers and individuals, bloggers, and social media influencers. Then simply earn up to 10% in associates commissions from qualified purchases and programs. Our competitive conversion rates helps maximize earning. So simply you'll have to go and click on sign up, fill up the form with your informations and everything about us. And once you get approved, you'll get an email that you are approved and you will start getting your affiliate links to run. Of course, if you want to get some help during the sign up, you can always go to this channel. I've already made a video on how to join the Amazon Associates program or affiliates program. So make sure to go and check that out. Then, of course, make sure to identify the Amazon products and niche that you want to promote on YouTube Shorts. You make sure to conduct thorough research to understand what products are trending and have high demand and align with your target audience interests. Then, of course, you'll have to start creating some engaging YouTube Shorts. Make sure to craft shorts and captivating, YouTube Shorts that showcase the products you're promoting. Focus on delivering value, highlighting the key features on the products by addressing your audience's pain points. So, of course, in the video description includes your Amazon affiliate links, and be sure to disclose that you may earn a commission from purchases made through your link, as required by Amazon associate policies. So, you will have to ensure that people who clicks on the link knows that you will earn commissions from people buying something from that link. And of course, make sure to utilize the call to action or CTA. So encourage your viewers to take actions by using a clear and compiling call to action prompt. So make sure to prompt them, of course, to click on the affiliate link to learn more about the product or to make a purchase. Make sure to even engage with your audience. So engaging with your YouTube Shorts audience by responding to comments and addressing their queries and building a connection with your viewers fosters trust and encourage them to follow your recommendations. You can even, as an example, promote shorts on other platforms. You can extend the search the reach of your YouTube shorts by sharing them on other social media platforms. You can utilize your existing channels to drive like more traffic to YouTube shorts, increasing the chances of affiliate link clicks. Then of course, you'll be able to monitor performance and optimize it. So regularly analyze the performance of your YouTube shorts and affiliate links using the YouTube Analytics or YouTube Stereo and Amazon associates reports. You can identify the content resonates well with your audience and optimize your strategy accordingly. Make sure, of course, to even create like some themes playlists. Organize your YouTube shorts into theme playlists based on products, categories, or niche. Themed playlists make it easier for viewers to find specific content and keep them engaged with your channel. Then finally, you'll have to be consistent and authentic. So consistency consistency is the key on YouTube Shorts. Post regularly to maintain like an active presence and grow your audience. Stay authentic in your recommendation and be honest. So don't just lie to get like your commissions for buying products that you don't even like. And only promote, of course, products you genuinely believe in. And an example, let's just go here to youtube.com, or we can even like go on YouTube Studio directly. So here, of course, let's just even delete this. Let's just go to YouTube Studio Day like this. So as you can see from here, I'll be able to go and create, and as you can see, I'll be able to upload videos. So you can select files from your PC and upload the video to your YouTube here as a YouTube short. Of course, how to upload this as YouTube short, I already showed you how to do that before in this channel again. But of course, make sure to simply add this hashtag short on the description and it will be posted as short. If you don't know how to make like some short videos, again, I make a video on how to do that. But let me just show you as an example. You can simply use something like CapCut here. I'm just going to show you this. Of course, you can go and use like any other platform that you want. So I'm not going to install it now, but you can simply go and start like a new project here. Just drag your video or import your video here. Once it's imported here, you'll be able to add to your video some audio if you want, some text, some stickers, effects, transition, filters, or even any adjustment that you want to make your YouTube shorts more interesting. And of course, to catch the people to stay on the video and even to like the product so they can click on your affiliate link. So once you do so, of course, once you have your video, you can simply go to here, as I said, create, upload videos, choose the video from here. Once you have it, upload it, and make sure to add your affiliate link on the description, because if you didn't add it, people will not be able to click even on the link to earn commissions. So be sure to add the hashtag short to have it as a short, first of all, to your video on YouTube, and then be sure to add your link on the description of the video so people can click on that. And if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you have now a knowledge, or now you have the knowledge to effectively promote your Amazon affiliate link on YouTube Shorts in 2023. So by creating engaging and valuable content, disclosing your affiliate links, and building a genuine connection with your audience, you can of course succeed in your affiliate marketing journey. So remember to adhere to Amazon Associates policies and provide value to your viewers at all times. So thank you for watching, and we wish you success in your affiliate marketing endeavors on YouTube Short. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.